Hi, I'm Neve Carroll and I work at the Crown and I'm studying a level 2 apprenticeship as a commie chef with Sussex Skills Solutions. It's good fun. You meet loads of people with a lot more experience than you have, and you learn so much. It's great. I've learnt a lot about what it's like to be a chef for a start. So many new different things, what it's like to work with other people, all different ages with more experience than I have, and yeah, I've learnt people skills, communication, teamwork, a lot of different stuff. It's just so, it's really interesting, I think, personally, because you're not sat there in a classroom trying to picture what it's like to actually do the job. You're actually genuinely sat, you're working it, you know what it's like to deal with that moody customer or someone who's got a complaint or someone who's got an allergy. You actually have to stand there and take it seriously and try your best to make sure that customer is happy. I think it will help me a lot because I've learned so much about what it's like to work with other people, what it's like to work in a team, communication, whereas I think if I was in college I don't think I would have learned that as much as I have here. So if when I go on to somewhere else, I'll already have those skills to be able to put that into play.
Hello, I'm Andrew Swan. I'm the owner and chef of the Crown Pub in Hastings Old Town. It's very much a community-driven pub, so we want to champion the local area. It makes our life easy because we have fantastic producers around here, whether that be farms or dairies, growers, vegetable growers, fruit growers. So that makes our life very easy in terms of the things that we put on a plate. We keep it simple, we keep it local, and 99 times out of 100 what we put on the plate tastes good. And the same thing goes for the front of house, so we have our local ales, local beers. We employ people from the local area. All of the decoration is made by people, artisans in the area, so all the furniture, all the lighting installations. I think, we've found our little niche really, and people have kind of accepted us for what we're trying to do. So I'd like to think, if somebody wanted to become involved in the community and put down roots here and love Hastings as much as we do, then this is a good place to come and do that. Not everybody is going to have a traditional education. I think you can do your maths exams and your English exams, and you can potentially go on to do a degree or whatever. But that's not right for everybody. I think a lot more people are more practically minded. They learn on the job. The education you're receiving on an apprenticeship is far more focused on what you're actually going to be doing day to day with your work. So I think for a lot of young people, it's far more tangible to be doing an apprenticeship in something where you can see that end goal. So I think, that suits most people.